Alright, hello again. In this video we're going to continue on some other notes on Linux. Previously we've talked about touch, which is to create a new file. Okay, first let's go into super user. Okay, change directory to the root directory by pressing CD. Okay. Now touch to create new file. Let's call it text.txt for text file. Okay, and then we can check if you're created. Here, text.txt. And then to create media directory, just put in direct mkdir and then name the directory. I'll just call it direct one again. Checking direct one, the directory we just created. And to go into the editing, just type in vi and then the text file, name of text file that we want to create, and we'll go into the terminal to edit the text file that you want. Okay, moving on. Let's list all of it. Here's a note. When in Linux, when you see a dot before a directory or file, it's basically just that the file or directory is hidden. You can normally see it here. For example, this sort of file or directory. If you can see the dot here, it means it's hidden. We don't see it when we normally use the listing. Unless we list everything, then only then we can will we be able to see it. Okay, clear. Moving on to remove the file or the directory, we use the command rm. Let's install again. Let's see. I want to delete c.txt. So just type in rm c.txt and yes, y for yes, and let's do that again. We can't see it anymore because we remove it. Now for the directory, to remove the directory, let's create another one to remove. Let's go directory to direct2. Here we go, direct2. Let's delete it. rm and then -r and then the directory name, which is direct2. Yes, and it's gone. Moving on to copy. For example, like we want to copy text.txt into direct1. We just type in the command cp, the file name, and the directory that we want to the destination of the directory that we want to copy it to, like so. Cp text.txt and directory name is direct1. You can check in what's the thing again? Alright, see, going to direct1, change directory, cd and direct1. Sorry, cd direct1. Right now we are in directory called direct1, and then just type in pwd to list down everything in there. ls, sorry. pwd is to check our current directory. which is direct one, and then ls to list down the things in directory one, which is text.txt. Now cd to go back into the root directory and then type in ls. We can still see text.txt. Basically, we just make a copy version of the text.txt and copy it to directory 1, if that makes sense. Okay, let's move on to move. It's slightly different from the copy cp. Basically, it moved the file and to the directory that we want, but there's no another file of it in the original place. So sorry. Okay, let's in the root directory we have a.txt right here. For example, we want to move a.txt to direct one, so mb a.txt and director 1 to move it to director 1 and change directory to director 1. Just making sure pwd, yeah, director 1, and then let's list down, there we go, a.txt, and go back to root directory and then list the files. We don't see a.txt in the root directory, and that's basically it. And lastly, for cp, basically it's the same, CSP, basically it's the same as cp. It doesn't stand for secure, contain, and protect set, but actually it's for secure copy. It's the same as copy, but basically copy from the network. Okay, and that's basically it for the other part of the note. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you later.